Why would you carry around a whole lot of stuff that you don't need? This doesn't make any sense to me. Why would you have more luggage than is really easy to manage? Doesn't make any sense to me. Hi, I'm Janice from Solo Traveler, and today I want to talk to you about packing. Specifically packing a carry-on, because I only own a carry-on, and therefore I have a lot of experience packing a carry-on. Here are my 5 tips for packing a carry-on. Tip number 1, check the weight restrictions for your flight. The weight restrictions for a commuter jet versus a transatlantic jet is completely different. So do check to make sure that you're packing for the right weight limit. Tip number 2 is if you have bulky things, wear them rather than pack them. So it might be winter and you've got some bulky sweaters, wear it on the plane. And it might be that you're going hiking, so wear the hiking boots on the plane. Then as you're moving around, if you're not wearing them, you can tie them to your carry-on. Tip number 3, generally speaking, roll, don't fold. It will save you a lot of space, and in many cases it keeps your clothes neater. However, if you are traveling for business or you have something dressy that you want to keep in really good shape, you can lie that over the bottom of your suitcase, of your carry-on, then roll everything else and place it inside, and then fold the ends over the top of your rolled items, and you've got a really neat packing job and you've been space efficient. So tip number 4, when you're packing in the final stages, make sure that you leave room for your bag of liquids at the top of your suitcase, which will make it much easier when you're going through security. All you gotta do is zip, open up and take out the bag of liquids from the top, and then when you're on the other side of security, pop them back in. No muss, no fuss, it's really easy. So, bag of liquids in the top of your bag. Tip number 5, when you get back from your trip, look at everything that you've had packed. Anything that you didn't use, plan on not packing that again. It sounds crazy, but even in a carry-on, you will pack things that you didn't need. So why do that again? So those are my 5 packing tips. From a seasoned traveler, I travel about 3 months a year, only with a carry-on. You can do it too. Why not give it a try? Subscribe to our channel, and I will be bringing you more advice on how to travel and how to travel solo.